Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily convert any image, whether it's a photo, screenshot, or scanned document, into a professional-looking PDF file. This method is super simple, 100% free, and works perfectly in 2025 on both computers and smartphones. So, if you've ever needed to submit documents, share pictures in a secure format, or just save your images in a more organized way, stick around till the end. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to your Google Drive account. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account. Step 1. Upload your image. Click on the New button in the top left corner, select File Upload, and choose the image you want to convert. It could be a JPG, PNG, or even a scanned picture. Once the upload is complete, double-click the image to open it in Google Drive. Now, here's the trick. Right-click on the image and select Open with Google Docs. Google Docs will create a new document with your image placed inside it. Next, go to File in the top left corner, hover over Download, and select PDF document.pdf. Boom! Google Drive instantly converts that image into a PDF file and downloads it straight to your device. Want to combine multiple images into one PDF? Just repeat the same process. Upload all your images, open them in a single Google Docs file by inserting them one by one, and then export as a PDF. This way, you can create a neat, multi-page document with ease. And the best part? This method works on laptops, desktops, Chromebooks, and even your phone's browser. No expensive apps or complicated software needed. And that's how you convert any image into a PDF file using Google Drive. Fast, free, and reliable. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tech tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.